Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today is my 19 and 20 week update, but it's also the day where I spill the beans on the gender. So I have been looking forward to this day for quite a while. I have known what the gender is going to be from 17 weeks. They did tell us that we needed to probably wait till 20 weeks before we kind of announce it, just so that after the 20-week scan we can kind of get an idea if it is that or if it was a mistake. And so we waited, and today is the day that we get to tell you guys. But before we get into that, we're gonna go into the pregnancy update first. This won't be very long. I don't have a whole lot to update on. As far as how I've been feeling, I've been getting a little more energy. Some mornings I feel like I could just go back to bed and sleep for a few more hours, but I have been actually able to push through that. I get my iron in the morning, I get a cup of coffee, and I get going for the day. And once I do that, I feel like I have the energy to just get through the rest of the day. And actually I do. I've been able to do that pretty much every day this week. And so I have been very glad that I am starting to get a little bit more energy and not feeling like I have to lay down at Silas's nap time just to make it through the rest of the day. So this week we also had our 20-week scan, and with that 20-week scan we were able to confirm that the baby is the gender that we were told at 17 weeks. And then at the 20-week scan they were able to do all the measurements. Now we weren't able to hear about that until we went to my doctor's, which was just a few days later. And so when we went to my doctor's visit, he told us that everything in the scan, all the measurements came back normal and everything looked good. And so we were excited to get beyond that hurdle. With my son Silas, we had the issue with the cyst on the brain. If you want to see that, you can go check that out in my petition video, I believe that's what it is called. And so with that, we were able to confirm all of the things looked normal and they measured just right. And so we were feeling pretty good after that doctor's appointment. We also found out that my hematoma did not look like it was there anymore. And so I don't have to be as restricted as I have been. I'm going to be able to now work out a little bit more, and I can do a little bit more around the house. I can't push it too hard, like moving furniture and lifting it, really heavy furniture kind of stuff, but I can kind of get back to somewhat of a normal life, I feel like. And so maybe that's where some of that energy has been coming from the past few days. But that is kind of how I've been feeling and what has happened the past couple of weeks. As far as cravings go, I have been craving Taco Bell hard shell tacos. I like them anyways, but I have been wanting them the past, I'd say, week now. And so that is what I've been craving. I am going to share with you the bump and take that, and then we'll get into the gender reveal. Okay. So there it is. This is at 20 weeks. There's the bump. So now, here's my gender reveal.
Don't
Hello,
look.
we would like to let you join us as we have the gender reveal for little baby Martin. The kids are going to get suckers given to them, and then when they pull them out, they'll find out if they are pink or if they are blue.
Maybe start with Emma.
Well, I'm starting here, just in case.
All right, how do I turn this around?
No, close your eyes.
Oh,
Close your eyes. Don't, just
Oh,
open
it
it.
is.
No,
Never
open
mind.
your mouth.
And we're
Don't
back,
think
and I
you
know
can.
how to work Marco
I don't
Polo
think
now.
it'll fit in
Move
his
out of the way.
mouth. It won't fit in his mouth. They're too big. Okay. Put the whole thing in your mouth.
You guys
Close your
looking
mouth.
over here?
Close your mouth.
Don't be looking.
Your mouth's closed.
Don't be looking, Cole.
Don't peek.
Just keep
Don't
it
be
over.
looking,
Don't
keep
pull
it
it
in.
out. Don't pull it out yet.
Keep it in.
Ready?
Okay,
Don't
just
be
wait.
looking.
We have to make sure we get the right pictures built.
Close them. Close them.
All right, wait.
All right, ready?
1,
Two.
2, 3. Pull it out.
Pink, pink! Yay!
Do you know what that means?
What does that
Baby
mean?
girl.
Finally!
Finally. I think that's what everyone's saying.
I
Finally.
think he's saying finally to meet the sucker.
I'm not saying finally to eat the sucker.
What do you think about having a little sister, Silas?
And a sister!
Are you a sister? Cool.
That means
What
you're gonna
do you think about having a girl cousin?
Completely
You think it's good?
I
What
can't
about you,
wait to have a
Titus?
girl cupcake nearby!
What about you, Emma?
I want a girl cupcake nearby and my wish came true.
Are you gonna dress her up like a little doll?
Pull me like a baby doll.